to Amal Fly Street.
They will come, they will come.
Delhi! I've landed in Delhi and I'm so excited to be in Delhi, but मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा देर हूँ नहीं. But I'm gonna meet my friends now and I'm gonna chill in Delhi for a while and then I'm gonna leave for my train.
Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything, everything.
Alright, so to set the scene, I was there for field work. We worked on sustainable tourism, and the first week we spent in Nainital. Nainital, the most beautiful city to me in the world, and I had actually been thinking about going there for so long, but I just could not find the time. And I was so glad that our college finally decided Uttarakhand to be the place, and for the first week to be in Nainital because it was the most mesmerizing. The weather was absolutely stunning when we went. We went in June, which is like arguably the best time to be in Nainital. And this was the first day that we were there. The first day was like a lot of observing, walking around, exploring. And I have to say, even though I was there for work, it was not less than a trip for me because I would just go off alone. And that's a problem. That's totally a problem. That's totally on me. But I would just keep exploring new places, go out to eat at new places, try new things out. There's a lot of adventure to do there. I actually haven't been anywhere on my own completely, and that was just very freeing for me. It's just and I felt like this city always had something new in store for me. I could never get bored of this. And I could never get bored of these views, the glistening water, the sparkling lake. It was just mesmerizing and it always had something brand new for me, I felt like, which I know a lot of people who were with me did not feel. Everyone felt like they were bored of this in a couple of days, which I was not at all. And actually, looking back, I'm kind of surprised how much I got done in a day. I ate at so many different places. I did so many things. We shopped a lot. Oh my god, I have a shopping problem because I think all I've done on this trip is like shop and not sleep. Those are the two things that I've done. Unfortunately, I am addicted to shopping and I have gotten everything that I laid my eyes on. So, watermelon वाले भी cute है. Candle.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah. Hey, look at this. No.
Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will.
तो है ही दो इधर भी
But you think you're doing it wrong.
I have been so sick since last night. I don't know what happened. I just have a sore throat. It's pouring rain outside, so heavy. Look at that. And I've just been resting the whole day. It's almost 4 p.m. But I might go out. I might go out and see because it has not rained once here yet. I love the rain. It's my fave. So I'm probably gonna go out right now. Can you tell from my face that I'm sick? I couldn't even speak. Like I didn't even have the energy to speak. But right now I'm fine. Now I'm better. It's so cold.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why?
Take a minute, catch your breath.
वो सेल बोर्ड का पूछना था मुझे. इज इट ओपन अभी?
चलेंगे.
मैं अकेले फॉर वन.
यहीं चले जाइए.
तो कहाँ से होगा फिर?
सीधे नीचे चले.
Take a seat and be my guest.
So before I came on this trip, I had decided that every city that I go to, I'll find something that means a lot to me on that trip, and I'll get it tatted. I also posted, I also sent myself a postcard from here to my address in Mumbai. I just wrote about how I have been doing things all by myself, and that all I need to know is that I'm enough by myself. So that's my postcard story, that's my tattoo story, and I'm so happy with how things are going. And tomorrow we leave to go to a different village and to study homestays. So far we have been studying tourism, sustainable tourism, and now we're gonna study homestays.